Hi everyone, welcome to Unboxing Zindagi. In this video, I am going to give a review on AJIO products. I got an AJIO coupon code through Google Pay. I ordered 3 products by using that coupon code. If you don't know how to use coupon code, I made video on that. I will give the link in the description. You can go through that link. I placed an order on 18th November and this is the typographic print which is never give up. I ordered 3 products at a time. They delivered one product on 21st November and the other 2 products on 26th November. Okay, coming to the products. The 3 products are women's tracks. This is a blue drawstring track with pockets and the fabric is polycotton with the size XXL and the price of the product is 427 rupees. I ordered it on 18th November 2020 and they delivered it on 21st November. Within 3 days, they delivered my product. The product is looking good and soft, but is too stretchable. It's looking same as shown in the figure, and the thickness of the product is good. After one wash also, the color not faded. Overall, the product is good, but it is too stretchable. If you are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe Unboxing Zindagi and press the bell icon to get notifications. If you want to know how to return or exchange a product on AJIO and Myntra, go to my YouTube channel. I made videos on how to create AJIO account and how to use AJIO Wallet points and what is AJIO sign up offer, how to use the coupon code. Some of the people commented in the comment section like what is coupon code and how to use coupon code. By using coupon code you will get a discount on your products. It will reduce the price of the products. Nowadays Google Pay giving the offers or coupon codes on particular online shopping sites. Okay, coming to the next product, pink color. It is looking different on the video, but the color is too good. It is a curved track pant with placement typographic print and the size of the product is XXL and the price is 443 and the fabric is a cotton blend and it is delivered on 26th November. Thickness of the product is good and it's not 100% cotton and it's not too stretchable compared to the first one. If you are facing any problems and product issues, just raise a complaint. If you don't get the raise a complaint option, just send a mail to customercare@ajio.com. This is the product which is in red color and it is a jogger with insert pockets with the size of XXL and the price 427 rupees and the fabric is cotton blend. The thickness of the product is okay. It is also too much stretchable. If you have any queries on this video, please let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe Unboxing Zindagi for more upcoming videos.